Learning how to trade is not difficult. I will be the first to tell you that I was a lousy student. I barely made it through high school. I never went to college, but I always had an entrepreneur's mind, and I could always spot opportunity. More importantly than being able to spot opportunity is the ability to act on it. Because sitting here going, yeah, this looks good. This looks good. I'm going to think about it. We'll go think about it. While you're thinking about it, I'm trading it. While you're thinking about it, whatever, 100 other people in the community right now are trading it. They're making money. Don't shortchange yourself. Do something about it. This is an easy, simple, I don't want to say easy. I'm going to take that back. This is a simple approach. And the reason that I pulled back on backpedaled on the word easy is because the part that's not easy is in your head. It doesn't have anything to do with the rules, because the rules are pretty damn simple. They're the same rules every single time.